During the week before Christmas, Marlin Gas Services received an emergency call from Southern Company Gas. The natural gas service to all of Hutchinson Island across the river from Savannah had been shut down.
And it was a Monday afternoon at 4 o'clock I got the call. Everybody was gone already, and somebody had drilled into a pipe.
The main gas pipeline serving the island was ruptured at a construction site along the Savannah River. So all businesses and residents on the island were without gas services.
And there was about 40,000 customers that were going to be without gas. And it was going to be a cold night, and we had to respond and supply gas, and we did it all night long.
Clearly the outage was negatively impacting the comfort and livelihood of everyone on Hutchinson Island, and would affect business in Savannah as well.
If they do have an emergency where they have a line break and they need to take that line out of service while they fix it, they call us and we come supply gas while they're fixing the pipe. And we have to respond as quickly as possible.
Marlin Gas Services had successfully restored gas service to the island by noon the next day. Marlin Gas Services connected an offload regulator unit to the pipeline injection site selected in cooperation with Southern Company Gas. 2 gas supply trailers flank the regulator unit. Each trailer feeds highly compressed gas into the regulator.
There's a patented offload regulator that's skid mounted that allows for adjustment to the pressures that are required by the customer. If you had to construct a decompression station or a regulator station, it could take you 6 months and $500,000 to do that, to achieve what we can do by just bringing the skid in immediately.
With the site situated on an open roadway, safety barriers have been erected, and Chatham County Sheriff provides on-site 24/7 security. Based on community usage, Marlin Gas Services delivers a full trailer of compressed natural gas every 4 days.
We train the drivers on operator qualification, OQ training, and therefore they're allowed to engage with pipelines and valves and interact with those directly rather than have to let the utility do all the management of what has to happen.
Marlin Gas Services will likely continue gas delivery through May 2019. Thanks to the rapid response to an emergency situation, Marlin Gas Services has restored dependable, uninterrupted natural gas service to the customers on Hutchinson Island. The Hutchinson Island project demonstrates the ability of Marlin Gas Services to respond quickly and professionally in an emergency, to restore gas services to a community in need, and maintain seamless gas delivery going forward.